Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting Tesseract and Python ready because reproducible training starts with a stable environment. Install Tesseract 5, X and the Python bindings, then verify the binary path. Next, gather a modest labeled dataset, a few hundred images with matching box files, to teach the model the character shapes. Once done, organize files into the training folder structure: ground truth, lang data, and test data. Make sure file names match exactly to avoid later errors. Now you move into conversion and training prep, where precision matters. Use text-to-image to render high-quality training images and produce box files, then run Tesseract with LSTM train to convert those boxes into LSTMF files. Once you have many LSTMF entries, create a training list and configure LSTM training parameters, specify a learning rate, appropriate checkpoint intervals, and a stopping criterion. Make sure to shuffle data and include validation so you can monitor overfitting as training proceeds. Finish by running LSTM training with your checkpoints until improvements plateau, then export the best checkpoint into a final train-a-data file. After combining the model with the Unishar set and other language assets, test on a reserved validation set to measure accuracy, and then replace or add the new language file to test data for use. If results are poor, check one key thing first. Ensure box files align perfectly with images and your Unishar set includes every used character. Mismatch there is the most common failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.